drivers. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to fix issue with a frozen computer that can appear in one of several different ways. The mouse may stop moving while the keyboard still seems to work. The mouse and keyboard stop working and all windows are frozen. You can't close any open windows or applications. The entire screen turns blue and displays an error code. Your Mac or Windows computer can freeze unexpectedly, and sometimes the cause is not very obvious or easy to troubleshoot. If you are lucky enough that your computer provided an error message like with a Windows blue screen of it, that error code will often point you in the direction of the cause. The most common cause of computer freezing is software related. It might be software that's incompatible with your system, an app that's stuck in a lab in loop, corrupt files like faulty device drivers, or a virus or malware writing to protect system memory or overwriting sensitive system files. Another possible cause is damaged hardware like a damaged hard drive or failing memory cards. If failing memory contains any operating system related boot code, the computer might not only freeze but could potentially not boot back up either. How to fix a frozen computer. Below are general troubleshooting steps you can try regardless of the operating system. Start with the first steps for quick fixes and most of the time when a computer freezes. Press the ESC key twice. This solution may close out insane displayed errors, locking your cursor and making it appear like your computer is frozen. Using the ESC key can close open windows or application, or in application like Excel, it will quit editing from the formula feed. Quit frozen program. If you are using Windows, press Ctrl Alt and launch the Task Manager from the menu. Use Task Manager to force quick application consuming the most CPU, RAM, or memory. On Mac, try Command plus Option plus ESC to bring up the force quit application window. If closing any application allows your computer to work, you may want to consider uninstalling the application so your computer doesn't freeze again. Reboot your Windows computer or restart your Mac. If a system process froze or cached memory files were causing the problem, restarting your computer can resolve many of this issue. If the issue goes away after a restart, you may still want to check your computer for malware or scan it for viruses to be safe. If you can't restart your computer normally, you may need to long press the power button to force it to power down. Only use this as a last resort since it can sometimes corrupt system files if any of those files are actively in use. Launch your computer in safe mode. On Mac, you will want to restart it into recovery mode. Safe mode is where you will want to try various fixes, like making sure your system updates are not stuck, checking your system startup settings, and updating all of your system drivers to the last version. On Windows, run SFC. Run SFC scan to check for corrupt system file and repair them. To fix a hard disk issue, run the dism command as administrator in the command prompt. Type the command dism /online /cleanup image. Then enter. Type again dism /online /restore health. Then type enter again and hit the command run. On Mac, you can try to use the disk utilities at first aid feature to check and verify drive health. You could have faulty driver causing the issue with your computer freezing. A frozen mouse, a locked keyboard, a loose memory card can all contribute to this problem. Try unplugging and replugging in your mouse and keyboard. Also open your computer and reset memory cards, as well as internet data and power cables. If you are using a laptop, make sure your Windows laptop battery or your Mac laptop battery is healthy. Recover your computer to the last good state. In Windows, this means you will need to try to use the System Restore tool to get your computer back in working order. On Mac, you need to use HD Recovery Volume Utilities. If nothing else had worked up to this point, you may have no other choice but to reset your system. Unfortunately, a system reset will wipe your files and settings, but at least it will get your system working again, just like the day you first bought it. So that's the end of the video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. I hope you are doing well, guys. See you soon at the following tutorials. Bye.